Okay, this is repair phone time. Get some of this rubbish off the bench here. I'll talk to you. As you can see, in the past we've had a lot of very different phones. This one, this one here, and then a lot of mobiles. Mobiles come in all different shapes and sizes, as you can see. This is an Alcatel, a very expensive one. This is a Nokia, and more Nokias. Sony Ericsson. This is a rather different phone. This is called a Cyber Shot. You can turn the camera on and off. Why, I don't know. This one, Nokia, very good phone. And we've got an old Motorola Flip. Everybody had a Motorola Flip, didn't they? They were great. The very first one of these I had, it had a battery about the size of a brick. It lasted 3 hours. And then we come back down to the little Sony Ericsson, and then another wonderful little gem, which is also a Motorola Flip. But at the moment we've got to have a repair job here on not the Alcatel, but look at this, even got replacement covers for the genuine Nokia. Anyway, this little Nokia here needs a bit of repair, so we'll have a go at it, see what's going on. So the cover, that looks like it's deteriorating quite a bit. The cover needs to come off it, which is not a very hard thing to do, to get the cover off without wrecking anything. I think that bit of oh, this is a bit of a bugger. This normally comes off pretty easily, but doesn't look like. Oh, here we go. It's coming. Oh shit! First, I need to get a little spanner and try something in here. And these normally come off pretty easy. It's a bit of a mess here now. I think there's a button at the side of them that they're supposed to pull off. Here we go. This. There we go. There we are. That's got that bit off it anyway. And then this bit comes off somehow. I think that lever's off. That's it. That's the go. And this pulls off, and then all this comes. Oh, golly, I hadn't had this one off for a while. Always got to get these apart without damaging it, because it's important. But these are a collector's item. Oh, here we go. Whew. So now there we have the bare Nokia with that. And oh, here's the battery. There's the battery. Batteries are easily replaced. You can tell if battery is flat or not by measuring it. But this one's pretty good, I think. Now, if the SIM card, it's important that you get them out and use that. You can continue to use that in your new phone. So, yeah, I think this one is a little bit beyond it. I think the screen might be a bit cactus. So I'll have a look at see if we can get something, get we'll see if we can get I don't know how that comes apart. I think it connects in there. I think that's the easiest way to get this apart, I think. This is just you lever that off, yeah. That's it. The lever that. I think that's the way to get the screen out. And then, there we go. Screen out. Now this screen needs replacing. As you can see, it's a matrix type screen. Pretty matrix now. No, sorry. This belongs to somebody. So now the screen needs replacing. New battery, SIM card. I think the SIM card receiver might be a bit shot too. Let's have a look. Pull that one off. Let's have a look at the receiver here. I think this is, yeah, that's shot. Well, all I can say is that we'll need to pack this one up and suggest you buy a new one. Anyway, so wash my hands. So we're all done. Okay. So if you've got any queries how to pull your Nokia apart, give me a bell. I can certainly assist you any way you like. Okay. Thanks. Bye for now.